Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to get Lunar client on TLauncher. Alright, so let's begin. The first thing I recommend is that you actually don't. That's because Lunar client is available as its own standalone desktop client, which you can download for Windows, macOS or Linux. It installs separately and allows you to run Minecraft with optimized performance, built-in mods, and better stability. Using the official client is always safer and gives you the best overall experience. However, if you still want to install Lunar client with TLauncher, then you'll need to download a zipped LC release version. Even though these files are usually safe, they can sometimes feel a bit shady since they are unofficial modifications. Also, you might not get the same level of performance compared to using the official Lunar client application. In order to install it with TLauncher, first download the zip file of the LC release. I will provide the link in description. Once it's downloaded, open your Minecraft directory by clicking on the folder icon inside TLauncher. This will open your main Minecraft folder. From there, scroll down and open the versions folder. Now drag and drop the downloaded zip file into the versions folder. After that, extract the zip file right there. Once extracted, you will see a folder called LC. Locate the LC folder inside it. Cut that LC folder and move it directly into the versions directory so that it sits in the root of the versions folder. After placing it correctly, close File Explorer. Now go back to TLauncher and click the refresh button. Wait a few seconds for the launcher to update the version list. After refreshing, scroll through the versions until you find Release LC. It may take a bit of scrolling, so be patient. Once you see it, select Release LC and click on Enter the game. The launcher will begin downloading some additional required files. Let the download complete. After that, Minecraft should launch with the Lunar client interface. As you can see, it is opened with Lunar client. If it's your first time launching, you might experience minor issues, especially with version compatibility. Keep in mind that Lunar client with TLauncher often works better on older versions rather than the newest releases. Once it loads successfully, you can test it by opening single player mode and creating or loading a world, and that's it. This is how you can get Lunar client on TLauncher. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.